Hi, welcome to my garden. Come, have a look at my garden. Well, as you see, it's relatively small, but it's quite cozy. I don't have a green thumb. I'm not very good at gardening, but I do take care of my garden as it is one of my pastime activities during the lockdown. So you see, look at my plants. Oftentimes, I water my plants in the morning and in the afternoon every once in a while. I just want to make sure they can grow well and get enough water supply. Well, I guess gardening is a good activity to eradicate boredom. It's fun and enjoyable. I also trim the grass from time to time so that it looks neat and tidy. I don't have a lawnmower because my garden is small. I just use a pair of shears to trim the grass. Another pastime activity that I enjoy doing so much is feeding my koi fish. More often than not, I feed my fish in the morning. As you see, I'm feeding my koi fish right now. Look, they are very active in the morning. I love watching my koi fish swimming around actively in the pond. It's so melodic and therapeutic. Keeping pets in your home can be a good idea. You can just sit back and chill out after working so hard or doing your dull routine activities. Just like what I'm doing now. I'm having a whale of time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video here on my YouTube channel. Goodbye.